Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here over DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine was brought in because the customer reported no steam, no hot water coming out of the valve, and they said that the water reservoir was leaking. What we discovered is that a bad solenoid valve was keeping water and steam from coming out of the hot water and steam wand, and we replaced that, and the leak was actually coming from the generator right up here, and so we ended up replacing that as well. So here it is, functioning once again, and we'll test it. There it is. Hot water. Good hot water flow. Alright, well, there it is. DeLonghi Magnifica functioning once again, no longer leaking and pulling shots. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.